Welcome back. Our next hands-on activity doesn't happen until February 3rd and 4th. Before we go any further, and as a reminder, please pause the video as often and as long as needed to generate your hands-on activities and putting all the proper links in place. Hands-on activity number 2 is so simple yet so engaging and entertaining. This one does not need a lot of prep work at all. However, this is a good place to give you this tip. When your group of math lab teachers create these hands-on activities, I would organize them in folders or bins and place them all together within your classroom so that you have them ready and easily accessible when the time comes. Anyway, this activity is called the paper crumble relay. This actual relay is all about plotting points. Remember, that was a skill that we developed when we were doing the mini lessons. The skill also happens to fall right in this area, thus why we placed this activity here. Alright, let's link this. And let's read through the actual concept behind this activity. Attached are 4 worksheets with accompanying answer keys. Students sit across from a partner. Papers are passed out face down. On go, they flip the paper and answer the first question. They then crumple, throw to their partner, and the partner does the next problem. Noise is allowed, but the problems can't be discussed. The partner can write notes on the actual paper, like double check this one. Once they think they're done, they shout done. The teacher checks the answers. If they're all correct, they win that round. If they are incorrect, you give the paper back to them and they continue the game. The reason this is important for the students to know ahead of time is they may think when some group of students say done that the game's over, but often there's at least one wrong. So you want to encourage them to just keep going while you're checking the first group that finished. So the 4 worksheets are going to give you 4 rounds of competition, and that should be enough to last the entire period. One more little thing that I forgot to talk about. So when I said noise is allowed, but they can't actually discuss the problems, they can say things like words of encouragement, but you just don't want them talking about the actual problem. You want them to write down notes that go back and forth. That also includes, they could fix something and say, I fixed it for you. All right, we have 4 links of worksheets from a pretty well-known free resource on the internet. So let's link them. When you print these, let's take a look actually. Yeah, so when you print these, keep the answer keys and then make enough so you have like 1 per every 2 students that you have. I have another activity that goes with plotting points that the students have a lot of fun with. I want to mention it now because I don't think I have it anywhere specific on this document. It's Human Battleship, and let's put this let's put it as one of our teacher choice days. I'm gonna leave it like this as a teaser, and we'll circle back and discuss this in Module 6. Yeah, so this puts us a good stopping point for the video. Join us in the next one as we tackle hands-on activity number 3.